Good morning, dear students. Let us start with exercise 2.3 further questions. In the previous video, we have discussed already till question number 5 of exercise 2.4. Today, we'll be discussing rest of the questions from exercise 2.4. So, let's get started. Question number 6. There's a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. So, there is a reserved school plot which is reserved for a school in some place called Mahuli village. The length and the breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. So we are given the ratio between length and the breadth of that rectangular plot, which is 11:4. It means if we have to remove the ratio, what we have to do? Simply we will multiply with the same variable. Therefore, we can say that the length be 11x and the breadth to be 4x. Simple. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat at rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? See, we are given the question cost per meter and the total cost. Cost per meter. In previous videos, if you have seen, I have already told you that cost per meter means definitely parameter is given to us, because per meter means parameter, per meter square means area, per meter cube means volume. So that's why here the relation of parameter is coming, and that too total cost is given and cost per meter is given. So what we can do, from total cost and cost per meter, we can find what? We can find the parameter. Clear? So the question states here, we have rectangular plot. Let this be a rectangular plot AB CD, where it is given that 11x is the length and 4x is the breadth. Also, we are given in this question total cost, that is rupees 75,000, and cost per meter, which is rupees 100. Cost per meter, which is rupees 100 per meter. Therefore, we can say the parameter would be total cost upon cost per meter. Clear? We can find this way. So let's do the question now. So what we can do, first of all, let the length be 11x. Therefore, the breadth is equal to 4x. Now, what is the parameter? I told you simply, whenever total cost and cost per meter is given, we can simply apply the formula of parameter. Parameter cost is equal to total cost and cost per meter. So what is total cost? Total cost is 75,000 and cost per meter is 100. Therefore, the parameter is 715 meter. Now, according to the question, parameter is given to us, length and breadth we are having, so we can apply the formula. Parameter of rectangular plot is equal to what is given, 750. What is the formula of parameter of rectangle? It's 2 length plus breadth, 750, 2 11x plus 4x is equal to 750, 2 15x is equal to 750. So it will be 30x is equal to 750. X is equal to 750 upon 3. If I'll solve, I'll be upon 30, 0 cancel. You'll be getting 25. Therefore, can I say length is equal to length of rectangular plot is equal to 11 into 25, and breadth is equal to 4 into 25, that is 100. I'll show you the shortcut how to multiply with 11. For example, we have to multiply 25 with 11. What we have to do, simply write 5 as the unit digit and this as the last digit. 2 plus 5, 7, that will be coming in between. Therefore, answer is 275. Again, I am repeating. Whenever you have to multiply any number with 11, this unit place as it is, this place as it is. The sum of them will come in between. Therefore, answer is 275 meter and 100 meter. 275 meter and this is 100 meter. I hope the question is clear to you. Clear with the question? Next, question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7 seems to be very lengthy, because here we'll be talking about a boy, Hassan, who wants to go for the uniform. In the question number 7, it is given us that we have a character called Hassan, and he wants to purchase uniform. For uniform, he requires a shirt and a trouser. It is given that the cost per meter for the shirt is, if you buy the cloth required for making shirt cost around rupees 50 per meter, and the cloth which is required for making trouser is rupees 90 per meter. Secondly, the important condition here given is that for every 3 meter of shirt he has to buy 2 meter of trouser. It means that if he buys 3 meter of shirt, he has to buy 2 meter of trouser, and if he wants to buy 3 meter of shirt, he has to buy 4 meter of trouser. It means that shirt and trouser are in the ratio 3:2, because for 3 meter of shirt he requires 2 meter of a trouser, which clearly states here they are in ratio. Done. When he went to the seller who is selling that product, who is selling that cloth material, what seller is doing? Seller is making profit by selling 12% on shirt and 10% on trouser. When Hassan purchased both shirt and trouser material, after even profit, the total cost that he has to pay for that was 36,600. We have to tell what is the length that Hassan purchased for the trouser, the length of the trouser that Hassan purchased. Clear? So let's start with the question. So basically I will divide this question into 2 parts, where I will be discussing about shirt and a trouser separately. Okay. First thing, we have been given the question CP of shirt, that is given rupees 50 per meter, and CP of trouser, because buying price is known as CP, cost price, at which somebody would purchase this. Clear? Next, it is given that for 3 meter of shirt he has to buy 2 meter of trouser. So can I say, let the length of shirt or the cloth, we can say let the length of the cloth required for shirt, or let the length of the shirt be 3x. Therefore, the length of trouser, I am talking about the cloth here, is 2x. Clear? Now can I say total CP? I can find total CP of shirt, because it is given rupees 50 per meter, but he will be buying 3x meter of shirt. So therefore total CP would be 3x into 50, that is rupees 150x. Clear? Similarly, total CP of trouser would be 2x into 90, that is rupees 180. Any doubt anyone is having with this question? Yeah. Next thing, it is given profit made. If I say profit here earned by the seller is 12%, here profit earned by seller is 10%. Now we are having CP with us, we are having profit with us, CP with us, profit with us. When CP and profit we are having, we have already done in class 7 in chapter comparing quantities, profit and loss. When CP is given to you, when profit percent is given to you, we have to find SP, we have to find the selling price at which the customer will be selling this product after earning the profit. So what is the formula of SP? So SP of shirt would be, what we will do, formula I have already given you in class 7, it is 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. Here the CP which I am talking about is total CP. Similarly, SP of trouser is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into Cp. Again the Cp I am talking about is total. Substitute the values and get the answer. 100 plus 12 upon 100 into 150x. 100 plus 10 upon 100 into 180x. Solve it and get the answer. 112 upon 100 into 150x. 110 upon 100 into 180x. 0 0 cancel. I'll be getting 198x. I hope you know 18 multiplied by 11. 18 as it, 8 as it is, 1 as it is. 1 plus 8, that's 9. That is why 198 rupees. Similarly for here, 0 0 cancel. 5 2 5 3 5 6. I'll be getting rupees 168x. Clear? Now, if you see the question clearly, it is given after selling shirt and trouser, total selling that particular seller, the shopkeeper made is rupees 36,600. It means the total amount paid by whom? Hassan. So can we say total SP is equal to SP of shirt plus SP of trouser? Yes or no? This is because total he earned is 36,600. That's one and it's equal to 198x. If we'll be solving, we'll be getting 3660 is equal to 366x. X is equal to 3660 upon 366. If I'll solve it, I'll be getting x is equal to 100. So can I say the length of the shirt purchased by him is 3 into 100, that is 300 meter. So definitely the length of the trouser he bought is 2 into 100, that is 200 meter. Clear with this? So with this cost, with this complete selling price, he bought 200 meter of trouser and 300 meter of shirt with this cost price and this selling price. Are we clear with the question? Any doubt anyone is having with the question? How to do? Clear with this? So you can do this question with this method also, that's not a problem. Instead of doing the complete question at once, you can draw the line and you can do this separately, because this will give you the clear idea, because we are moving parallel in this question. Clear? Any doubt anyone is having? Next, question number 8. A good question. Basically in this question it is given that we are having a herd of deer. What do you mean by herd? H-E-R-D. Herd means group, collection, collective noun, group. So group of deer we are having here. This group, we have to find the number of deer. We have to find the number of deer. What is happening here in this question? Few deer are playing nearby, few are grazing, few are drinking water. So we have to tell what is the number of deer that is there in that herd. I am repeating the question. Question is, half of the herd of a deer are grazing in the field and third-fourth of the remaining are playing nearby and rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. I'll do this question in the simplest form for you so that you can have better understanding with this question. Question number 8. First of all, we can assume that let the number of deer in herd be X. Clear? Now, therefore, the number of deer grazing in the field. What I can say, it is given half of the number of deer are grazing in the field. What are the total number? X. So how many would be grazing? Half of the total, it means X by 2. Any doubt? Third-fourth of the remaining are playing nearby. Third-fourth of the remaining. It means X by 2 are grazing. So what is remaining? Therefore, first of all, we'll be writing the remaining number of deer, that is total minus grazing. Therefore I can write X x minus 2. If I take the LCM, we'll be getting 2. 2x minus x will be getting x by 2 again. Now, number of deer playing nearby. Playing nearby is equal to what? Third fourth of the remaining. What is remaining? X by 2. Third fourth of the remaining means this. Therefore, it would be 3x minus 8. Two fractions are multiplied here. In case of multiplication, we never take the LCM, which normally maximum students do this blunder by taking LCM. Why we are taking LCM in case of multiplication? I told you in multiplication, we never see like or unlike fractions, simply we multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Same thing I did. Now, number of deer drinking water from pond. So that is 9. So according to the question, don't you think that grazing, who are playing nearby, for drinking water is equal to total number of deer? Therefore, number of deer grazing plus playing nearby plus drinking water is equal to total number of deer. Therefore, x by 2, 3x by 8 plus 9 is equal to x. Solve linear equation. LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. So it will be 4x plus 3x plus 9 into it, that's 72. 8x, discard the LCM. We'll be getting simple equation now. 3x plus 72 is equal to 8x. 7x plus 72 is equal to 8x. 7x minus 8x is equal to minus 72. Here plus there minus, here plus there minus. Minus x is equal to minus 72. Cancel out minus minus. Therefore, answer is 72. So therefore, the number of deer in the herd is 72. This is the best solution I can provide you for this question. There is one more method where students keep on doing x by 2, then they will be doing half of the remaining, then they will be taking that this number of grazing is equal to 3 by 8 plus 9, and then they will be solving it. That's a different method, that's a very conventional method. I think this is what, according to the question, I have moved. So, I am not saying that you have to follow this, whatever the method, but this is one of the best solution I can provide you for this particular question. And it's easy to understand. Simple. Total, we know that it means grazing, playing nearby, drinking water. Clear? Question number 9. Again, ages type question, very easy question. Question number 9. Grandfather is 10 times older as granddaughter. We have two characters again. We have grandfather and we have a granddaughter. It is given that grandfather is 10 times the granddaughter. So if granddaughter is x, definitely grandfather is 10x. Clear? He is also 50 years older than her. Next condition means the difference. He is 54 years older than her. Definitely it means the difference between their ages is 54. So according to the question, 10x minus x is equal to 54. 9x is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 upon 9. X is equal to 6. Therefore, granddaughter is 6 years old. And grandfather is 10 into 6, that is 60 years old. Are we clear? You have to do it with conventional method. I am just solving for your practice. You have to consider it completely. Let the present age of granddaughter be x. Therefore, the present age of grandfather will be 10x. According to the question, you have to do completely. Okay? Since I have solved many questions based on this, so I want you to try once. Question number 10. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. We have again two characters, Aman and his son, and it is given that Aman's age is 3 times his son age. If son age is x, definitely Aman's age is 3x. 10 years ago, I told you two words, ago and now. Ago means past, now means future. From now means future. In past we subtract, in future we add whatever the years are given. Therefore 10 years ago, so 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. He is 5 times his son's age. So 10 years ago means, and it is given that he is 5 times his son's age. So therefore, son's age is 20 years, and so Aman would be 60 years old. Are we clear with the question? Any doubt with the question? Very easy question to understand. Clear? Now we'll be starting with exercise 2.5. In exercise 2.5, we'll be converting. In exercise 2.5, what we will do? We'll convert the complex equations. Means complex equations, I would say, I'm not talking about complex in different form. Here complex means little bit complicated. So here complex equations will be converted into simpler form. So the next topic we have already done, algebraic expression equal to a constant, algebraic expression equal to a variable, or one algebraic expression equal to another algebraic expression. Next equations are when we have to convert the given reducible equations to the simpler form. So let's get started with exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5. First question I'll take it. First question which I'm going to take right now. That's solve the following linear equation. Definitely they are linear equations. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Just see how to do. Simple which method I follow, and I would suggest you for your better results and for not getting too much into tough conditions or tough solutions. Better solve and take the LCM here only. Instead of taking, like I'll be taking this side, I'll be taking variables to this side, which I normally tell you to do. But here one thing we can do is, first of all take the LCM, then in here only. Okay, so LCM of 2, 5, 3 and 4 is of course 60. Everyone knows about it, right? You are in class 8, so you know that LCM of 2, 5, 3 and 4 is 60. So we'll take the LCM first, and we'll be getting 30x, we'll be getting 12, 20x, and we'll be getting 15 for sure. Discard the LCM because the purpose of LCM is to make the terms like. We have already done that. So now just observe the equation. Don't you think we have reduced such, means I would say the complicated equation to a simpler equation? This is what is the agenda of this particular exercise, right? Solve it now. Here plus, there minus, here minus, there plus. X, it would be 10x, 27. X is equal to, here multiply, there divide. Answer is 27 by 10. Clear? Very simple exercise to do. Don't get confused. Clear? Question number 2. Question number 2. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6. 21. Again we'll be taking the LCM. 2, 4, 6 LCM is 12. It will be 6n. It will be 9n. I'm doing directly. It would be 10n, and this would be I think 252. Discard the LCM. We'll be getting 6n minus 9n plus 10n is equal to 252. We'll be getting minus 3n plus 10n is equal to 352 on solving this two first, right? So we'll be getting 7n is equal to 352. Here multiply, there divide 252 by 7. If I cut, I'll be getting, of course, 36. So 36 is the answer. Clear? Question number 3. Can you see the level of the questions? They are very simple. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 is equal to 5x by 2. Very simple to do. Try once. We'll do this question. Again, LCM of 2, 3 and 6 is 6. I'll be doing directly. 6x plus 42 minus, it will be 16x, of course, it will be 17, it will be 15x. This is the LCM. 6x plus 42 minus 16x, 17 minus 15x. 6x minus 16x plus 15x, 17 minus 42. So it will be minus 10x plus 15x, and it would be minus 25. It will be 5x is equal to minus 25. X is equal to minus 25 upon 5. X is equal to minus 5. Any doubt anyone is having till now with any question? Question number 2, 3 and 4. Very simple. That's why see how smoothly I am solving this question. I believe the same is happening with you also with such a good practice. So if you practice this, definitely with such a smooth manner, you will definitely move with this. You will also able to do the question very smoothly, very quickly, very efficiently. Clear with this? So question number 4. We'll take question number 4. Immediately we'll take question number 4. Question number 4. See, there are two methods of doing question number 4. X minus 5 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. So there are two methods. First method I am going to take by LCM method. First method is LCM method. Whatever the method you want to work, you can. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. See, this is one term, this is another term. So you will be taking the LCM for the whole. You will not do only, okay, once you will be taking 5, so you will be multiplying 5 with x only. You will be keeping 5 with x only. No, you have to keep this bracket. We have taken the LCM for the complete term rather than the LCM of x or minus 5 separately. This is very, very important. Next, similarly 3, x minus 3, discard the LCM. 5x minus 5. 3x minus 3. So distributive property, apply this into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. 3x minus 9, 5x minus 3x minus 9 plus 5, 25. 2x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 upon 2. X is equal to 8. Simple. Second method, that is cross multiplication method. That is cross multiplication method. Any method you can follow this with for this question. That's not a problem. Cross multiplication method. X minus 5 upon 3. X minus 3 upon 5. I have already told you that whenever two rational numbers are there and we have to cross multiply, numerator of first will be multiplied with denominator of second, and denominator of first will be multiplied with numerator of second. So therefore it will be x minus 5 into 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. Don't you think we are getting same situation? Same. Solve it and get the answer. Clear with this? Question number 5. Question number 5 is important from conceptual point of view, because normally students do commit errors in this question while solving. Normally they do. That's a reality. They'll do it. So question number 5. Question number 5. 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t upon 3. 2, 3 minus 2. See the question. Now, in this question, normally you might be thinking this minus is definitely with this 2t for sure. On the first perception, definitely you will be thinking that this minus is with this 2t. That's not correct. Understand, once I discussed, this minus is with this whole term. This is one complete term, and this minus sign is outside this complete term, rather than this minus sign is with this minus with 2t. So we'll solve this by taking LCM. Definitely 12 will be the LCM. So again, same situation is happening. It's a complete term minus as it is. So it will be 4, 2t plus 3. It will be 6. So 4 into 2 minus 20. Complete. Is that the LCM? Distributive property. So it was 3, 3t minus 2, 4, 2t plus 3, 8, 12t. Here is the catch. Again, distributive property will apply. 19 minus 6. See, minus 4 needs to be multiplied with this and with this completely. So it will be minus 80 plus minus 4 into plus 3 is minus 12. This is the main error which normally commit in this question while solving. What they do, they forget this minus and they will be writing plus t and they will be writing plus 12. No, we have to consider this minus also. We have to multiply this minus 4 with every term. So it's 90 minus 80, it's minus 18, 8 12 t. So t minus 18 is equal to 8 12 t, t plus 12 t, 8 plus 18, so 13t is equal to 26, t is equal to 26 upon 13, t is equal to 2. Normally students do remember the answer of this question. They do remember, but here they'll be doing error. Still their answer is correct because they have crammed the answer. But we teachers are not fools, right? We know. Definitely a smart teacher will check here only. Because here is the catch. Main thing you have to do is this only. This particular equation is the main equation. If this equation is correct, definitely you will reach to the answer 2. If this is not correct, you will be coming with some irrelevant answer for sure. Clear? Question number 6. Almost same question. M